Calendar year estate tasks that don't wait. Hi, I'm Terry Peterson, certified probate expert, senior real estate specialist, and founder of St. Louis Family Resources. I'm a realtor and investor and work with families in St. Louis who are navigating the probate process. If you're serving as an executor, you already know there are countless tasks tied to your loved one's date of death. But here's what catches most families completely off guard. Certain critical deadlines operate on the calendar year, not the estate timeline, and they don't care when your loved one passed away. Today, I'm going to walk you through the 4 calendar year responsibilities that could blindside you if you're not prepared. And I'll show you exactly how to stay ahead of these non negotiable dates. Calendar year estate tasks. Task number 1, final tax returns. First up, your loved one's final income tax returns. These are due April 15th of the year following their death, period. No grief extensions from the IRS. Here's where it gets tricky. If your loved one passed away early in the year, say January 15th, you might also be responsible for filing the previous year's returns if they hadn't completed them yet. The good news is you can file a 6-month extension, just like your own taxes. Don't let pride overwhelm or prevent you from taking this sensible step. Task number 2, estate income tax returns. Here's what surprises most executors. The estate itself becomes a taxpayer from the day after your loved one's death. This means annual income tax returns are due every April 15th until the estate is completely settled. If your loved one passed away in March, you'll file estate taxes for March to December. Then again the following year for the full calendar year. This continues until every asset is distributed. Task number 3, property taxes. If the estate includes real property, property taxes become your ongoing responsibility until the property is either sold or distributed to heirs. In Missouri, both real and personal property taxes are due by December 31st of each year. Tax bills are generally mailed by the county collector's office in November. Missing these payments can result in liens against the property, complicating the eventual sale or distribution. Task number 4, trust responsibilities. If you're also serving as a trustee for an estate-related trust, Schedule K-1s must be mailed to trust beneficiaries by March 31st of any income distributions they received during the preceding calendar year. Miss this deadline and beneficiaries can't file their own tax returns, creating a cascade of problems. The solution? The key to managing these calendar year deadlines is understanding that they operate independently from other estate tasks. Create a calendar specifically for these recurring deadlines. Mark April 15th, March 31st, and your local property tax due dates. Set reminders 60 days in advance so you can gather the necessary documents and file extensions if need be. Remember, you don't have to navigate this alone. Working with qualified professionals can prevent costly mistakes and reduce your stress. If you need a referral to a top CPA in the St. Louis area, please give me a call. We work with some of the best CPAs in the market. If this helped you understand these critical deadlines, hit that subscribe button for more estate planning guidance. And if you're dealing with probate real estate here in Missouri, I'm here to help. The calendar year doesn't pause for grief or the complexity of an estate settlement. But with proper planning and professional support, you can stay ahead of these deadlines while still honoring your loved one's legacy. Thanks for watching and take care.